After this tutorial, you will be able to create a door that opens when you step on a button. I have created this simple box with a door, and in the Explorer all of these parts are just in a folder called box, and then here we have the button, and that is just a simple part. In a script here we have three variables. First we have a variable for the box folder, then we have another variable for the button, and then finally we have this variable called is cooling down, and that's set to false, and that just basically works as a debounce. Now we're going to create the touched event for the button, so we're going to say button dot touched. We're going to connect it to a function. Then here in these parentheses we're going to add in the other part, and this is used to check if it's a player who touched the button. And then first line we're going to say if is cooling down is equal to true, then we're going to return end. So basically if the debounce is true, so if there's already a connection been made with the button with the touched event, then we're going to return end so it doesn't interfere with each other. And then if it passes this line, then we're just going to set is cooling down is equal to true. Next we're going to make sure that it's a player who touched the button, so here we're going to say local humanoid is equal to other part dot parent colon find first child, and then we're going to be looking for the humanoid, because if it was a player who touched this button, then other part is a part of the player, other part dot parent is the character of the player, and in the character we will be able to find the humanoid. So if the humanoid is found, then we make sure that it's a player who touched the button.